It's giving body rev. You know what I'm saying? Much, but the hair is soft. But to be honest, this shit is long. But this one, honey, bust down middle part. For anyone who wants to be a wig influencer, Temu is your friend. We all want to be bodies on a budget, but wigs nowadays are getting much expensive. Anyways, this is where Temu comes in due to their affordable cheap prices, but we're all wondering, are they worth it? If you are wondering just like me, then keep on watching. So here is my package from Temu. I already opened it as usual, and this time around I bought many things. I bought wigs and some other accessories that you may need. Now I'm debating, should I start with reviewing the wigs or should I start with the other accessories, then wigs last? What do you think? What do you want? Anyways, we're gonna start with the accessories first, then we shall do wigs last. Okay, so keep on watching. The first item that I got is this mini pencil flat iron. This is for curling your baby hair or those or curling your pixie wigs, short hair. This will be a good flat iron that you could use, but me personally, I bought it for doing my baby hair, doing my edges. So removing it from the box, I love how it's packaged. I really love the packaging. This is the cable of the flat iron. It is a USA cable. So guys, the cable is long, as you can see. It is pretty long, so it's not a short cable, and the cable is thick. It is high quality, as I've said. The flat iron itself, it's high quality. Even this cable, it's high quality, like it is thick. You get what I'm saying? Here is the lock, and to open it, there is a down button right here. Push it upwards, and then it is locked. And then to open it, you push this downwards, and then it's open. When you put it in the electricity and then press on button, it makes some sound. I don't know, you're gonna hear it. And then you can increase up to the heat you want or decrease. It has a plus and then a minus. So it does heat up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, and in degrees Celsius, that is 232 degrees Celsius. That's a good heat, like coming from this little thing right here. So for every queen who loves doing baby hairs and you're wondering what pencil iron you should buy, Temu. This one, you need to get this. Yes, mom. Okay. Next, I ordered a set of combs that has a gap right here for parting. I ordered, and then I ordered one, but they gave me two for a price of one. You get what I'm saying? I bought two different kinds. These ones were cheaper than these ones, so I wanted to see if the quality is the same. So in one set, they come five of them in one set. These are the ones that were a bit expensive than these ones. These ones come each one pre-packed itself, one. You get, and then for these ones that were cheap, they're just thrown in one bag. This one, the expensive one set, is better than the cheap one. First of all, this one comes when this thing is not even protected, the metal thing, unlike this one comes with the metal thing protected, and the metal thing is it's big and thick compared to this one that is cheap, and it feels flimsy, like it can easily get spoiled, unlike the expensive one. These ones that are $1.something, I'm gonna put the price on the screen. They're the ones that I would really recommend you to buy, because these ones are flimsy. I feel like these ones can easily get spoiled. I'm gonna pick what I see on top. So the next item are these gloves. Okay, I only ordered one pair of heat protecting gloves, but they gave me two pairs, so thank you, Temu. I really appreciate. Okay, this is how they are. They're pretty cute. Me personally, I'm tired of burning my hands, like all the time. I have scars on my hands just because of curling a wig or flat ironing a wig, so I'm like, I really need to get these. Me putting them on, yeah, they fit. To be honest, they fit. If you have bigger hands than me or you're fat or whatever, this is gonna fit you because I still have some left fitting, so they're gonna fit you. And even if you have small hands like me, they are holding me around here. I feel like I have a strong grip, like, you know what I'm saying? Now I can call myself professional. And for how much? For this price, and that is cheap, okay? Like, that is too cheap. 10 out of 10. So the next item I see on top is these are mixing spatulas. The reason why I bought this, I love using these spatulas for spreading out my glue because they spread out the glue evenly. If you can recall, in this video right here, I was using a spatula, but immediately I finished that video, the spatula was lost, like it was nowhere to be found. So I'm like, hey, I need to order myself some spatulas from Temu. So I did order these two, and to be honest with you guys, these are some good high quality spatulas. Like, you can even feel like by holding them, they are not cheap. You know, this fake metal, these are not this fake metal, like they are not too heavy, but you feel like there are some good quality spatulas. And I ordered two just in case one gets lost. I have a backup, you know what I'm saying? There was two sizes. There was a short size and a long size, so I wanted a long size to be on a safe side because you may order short and it's short. You know what I'm saying? With Temu, and for cents or $1, they're worth it. So go get yourself some if you're into makeup and wigs. Okay? Next item we see on top is these baby hair edge brushes. I remember I did order this one, but I was given another one. Once again, thank you, Temu. I'm grateful. I feel like you can use this edge brush for a lot of things. You can use the compact for combing out your edges, this brush side to push back your natural edges when you're installing your wig cap, and then this metal thing, you can use it for parting. So if you have one of these, you don't need this. If you have this that has a metal thing, you know what I'm saying? 10 out of 10. They're worth it. They're really worth it. Next item I see on top is this how you call it, mixing palette stuff that you can mix your foundation and all that stuff. It is travel friendly. And another thing that I wasn't even really mad about it being small is that it is quality. You can really feel like it's heavy. You know what I'm saying? It's not something that is gonna bend. It's this metal that can't even bend at all. And it comes with a small spatula like this, which is a good thing. This one is a little bit small than the ones that I ordered. Like, it is small, like really small. As you can see right here, the other ones were from here to here, but this one is really small, which is good because it is travel friendly. And the spatula itself is not cheap. It is not cheap, like cheap quality. That's what I'm trying to mean. It has some weight to it, just like the metal thing. For the quality, you know what I say? It's better to get something small but of a much higher quality. The quality of this is chef kiss, and the fact that it comes with a mixing spatula, that's chef kiss, and it came with a protective case. It's worth it. Okay, 11 out of 10. To be honest, why not? Okay, now we are moving on to the goodies that all of you have been waiting for. Those are the wigs. Okay, the first wig that I'm seeing on top is this one right here. I love that it comes in this bag. You know what I'm saying? Like, your wig is protected. I'm seeing my wig that I did order. Oh my god, I don't want it to fall down. Okay, it is long. So this is a 13 by 6 34-inch human wig. I feel like it's gonna give me true to length because the wig is pretty long. This wig is soft. I did not even want to accept it, but it's soft. Yeah. This wig is soft. I'm even pausing. So me standing here, this is my hair, and this is falling right here. You know what I'm saying? Right here. So I feel like it's true to length. Remember, it is body wave. So if I straighten it up, definitely it's gonna be longer. Look at this. It's giving body rev. You know what I'm saying? Body rev. The hair is soft. The rate to it has some good rate. It's not, because on the site they said it is 180, and yeah, I feel like it has some good weight to it. It is not this small and thin wigs, like it is thick, if you can see it. And it doesn't have any funky smell to it. Like, it smells good. It doesn't smell weird, because girl, if you were smelling weird, I was like, because some wigs from Temu be smelling like, what the heck? That's why people say in the reviews, the aroma pad or whatever tablet helped it to smell good. The knots are pretty much tiny. They're too tiny. And it comes pre-plucked. Darling, have you seen this? The lace is transparent, to be honest, but it's not a thick lace. You know what I'm saying? On the sides it's short, but in the middle it's giving a 13/6, so you can do your side part game. Okay, give us some 2 cups. I think there are 2 years. Next, it came with this wig band for tying down your lace when you're melting it, and that's good. It comes with this elastic band, the black one. If you want to wear your wig glueless, this will come in handful, so it comes with this as well. Out of 10, I'll give it like a 9 out of 10. Baby, it's giving body rev, okay? It's giving true to length. It's giving weight is okay. Next wig I'm getting is this one right here. This one is a 13/4 lace frontal wig, and it is 34" as well. It came with the aroma tablet, so it doesn't have any funky smell, okay? The knots are a little bit huge than the other one in the front. This one, it's slightly pre-plucked, as you're seeing. The lace, to be honest, it's a little bit thick than the other one. Like, this is a thick lace, okay? It's giving 13/4, but on the sides you get some good mat spacing. This is my head, and this is where the wig stops, so I feel like it is giving true to length. What do you guys think? Like, if this is on my head, it's coming up to right here. Its weight is not that much, but the hair is soft. No hair is coming out. It's not smelling funky. It came with an elastic band. It came with 2 wig cups and also a black elastic band. Let me be honest with myself. I'll give it like an 8 out of 10. That is because the lace is a little bit thick than the other one, and then the knots throughout are a little bit thick than the other ones in the front. Okay, so moving on to the last item from this Temu haul, the last wig. Okay, you see, nothing left. This is a 13/6 32-inch human wig. It's not smelling funky, so for those wigs that you get and smell funky, it's like this one is not one of them. It comes pre-plucked like the other first one. Like, it is really plucked. The knots in the front are small. The lace, I would say it's similar with the first one. It is not too thick than the one I've just reviewed. So you see in the middle you get the 13/6, but on the sides you get little spacing. So this is my head, and the wig is stopping. Yo, am I seeing what I'm seeing? Why is this 32-inch longer than the other ones? Because this is my head, and the hair is stopping right here. But to be honest, this shit is long. It may not be, much weight to it, may not have so much weight to it, but it's not too thin, but it doesn't have that much weight. It still came with the elastic band, the pink one, with this black elastic band. It came with these wig cups. First of all, it is long. I love the softness. I love the lace. Third of all, it comes pre-plucked. The knots in the front are thin. What else? It doesn't have any funky smell. So why not a 9 out of 10? Okay, they were all giving human hair wigs, so they are human hair wigs. If this review video or this Temu haul video was very helpful to you guys, let me know in the comment section. Let me know what you think about each wig that I've reviewed or any of the other items that I did purchase, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, love birds.